Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing 5 really useful tips to minimalism. So a while ago I decided to become a minimalist. For my own personal reasons, I had to really search within myself, and what I ended up finding was I was purchasing a bunch of random things, putting myself into debt to fill a void that I didn't even realize I had. And so I transitioned to a minimalist lifestyle, and since then I've felt so much better and so fulfilled. And the first thing to do if you are considering being a minimalist is decide why it is you want to transition to that lifestyle. Now, everyone has their own reasons, but just make sure that you know why, because along the journey you probably will find it difficult. And if you have a reason as to why you are doing it, you can remind yourself, and that will just keep you motivated and keep you focused on why it is you have chosen to lead a more minimalist lifestyle. So find a reason why, write it down if you need to, and just go back if you end up finding it a little difficult to continue with a minimalist lifestyle. Now, once you have your reason why, the best thing you can do is go through your things and start decluttering. I'm assuming if you want to be a minimalist, you have reached a point in your life where you are just tired of owning pointless things. I know that not everything we own is pointless, so the next thing to do is start decluttering and going through your things and deciding, really, does it add value to your life? If you can't find a reason that it does add value to your life, then I would suggest getting rid of that item, whatever it may be. It could be clothes, it could be shoes, it could be decorations, it could be anything that you find doesn't add anything to your overall well-being and doesn't add value to your life. Now, once you start decluttering, don't just throw things away. Donate them if you can. If you can't, fine, throw it away, but try to repurpose and donate as many things as you can. The next thing I'm going to suggest is choose quality over quantity. If you do feel the need to buy something, make sure that you really need it. And that can go for anything. For myself, I like quality clothing and shoes. I just find that if I do spend a bit more on my clothes and my shoes, they last longer. I just find that the lifespan of the things that I have has really increased. Now, if I do bring something new in, I will go through my things and I will figure out what it is that I can now get rid of, because I don't use every single piece of clothing or every shoe that I have. Periodically, you do have to do some maintenance and figure out what it is you no longer need and get rid of it. The more you go along, you will kind of just start to naturally figure out how to maintain a minimalist lifestyle. For myself, it was difficult at first because I'm a sucker for sales. So anytime I would see a sale at my favorite store, I would start browsing. So the next step, once you have figured out your reason why, you've decluttered, and you realize that you don't need so many things, distance yourself from anything that is going to bring you away from your minimalist lifestyle. So if you have your favorite stores sending you emails saying they're having a sale, consider unsubscribing to those places so you're not tempted, like I have been many times, to check out what's new in that store and if they do have a sale, because that'll just make it more difficult for you to continue on the path to minimalism. Tell yourself that you don't necessarily need to be upgrading things. If what you have still works and is functional, then just embrace it and don't worry about upgrading. If it needs to be upgraded, fine. If it doesn't, then leave it. And finally, if you are transitioning to a minimalist lifestyle, just find things to occupy yourself with that give you fulfillment. Find hobbies that you enjoy. Read books if you find that that's useful. Watch documentaries or whatever it is that you enjoy watching, and just keep yourself kind of busy mentally. I find that by writing or reading or just conversing with the people around me, I am content, and that has really helped with this journey to minimalism, because I think a lot of times we purchase things and it's because we are feeling some kind of emptiness within ourselves, and we use material goods to try to fill that void. But you'll probably learn, if you have not already, that material possessions do not cause happiness. They may cause temporary happiness. They are not the solution to any issues or voids within ourselves, and we have to do some soul searching in order to really solve and conquer any issues that we have that we're using material goods to fill. So I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be dropping a lot more content on minimalism, because I really want to help anyone who is trying to find more purpose and meaning to their lives. Also, if you guys have any suggestions on beginner tips for minimalism, please drop them in the comments below. I love to read all the comments you guys send my way. I hope everyone's doing well, be safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.